With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. We remove the back cover. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. Remove the screws from the middle frame. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Here we have the connector of the screen. We disconnect the triple rear camera. We disconnect the front camera. We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. Lift gently the device motherboard. We release the vibration motor, which is attached to the middle frame of the screen. Now we remove the earpiece speaker. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the battery. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.